Are you having problem with the Curzon Home Cinema application? Here are some things that you can do to fix your problem on the Curzon Home application. First, you want to make sure that your device is connected to a network if you're having any kinds of problem. Swipe down on the control center and make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular data is turned on and is connected to a network that is actually working. By doing so, you shouldn't face any types of problem regarding your internet. However, if there's any other kinds of problem on the app, you want to simply go to your settings, scroll down and tap on general. Tap on iPhone storage, and here you want to scroll down and navigate yourself to the Curzon Home Cinema app and tap on Curzon Home Cinema. Offload app and offload app again. Reinstall the application, and what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the app, you shouldn't face any kinds of problem. However, if you do face any kinds of problem after this, it might be that your device is at fault and not your application itself. So you want to restart the device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.